guys, and welcome back to Vlogging with the Bakis. Today we are going to be doing the Play-Doh challenge. It is going to be kids versus kids and adults versus adult. So first up is going to be the kids. They are going to get 1 minute and 10 seconds to complete the challenge, and the adults are going to get 1 minute. If you're not already, please hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Like it or have anything to say, please leave a comment. Okay, so the first challenge, spider.
A spider? I can't do it. I can't get it out.
30 seconds left.
Spider has 8 legs, right?
Okay, stop. A tree.
Tree? I am tree. No, it looks like no tree. I don't know what I'm doing. Yep, this is a tree. It's like way too heavy from the top. Please smush my name and make it little. I'm going to swim so much.
10 seconds, guys.
I'm done.
Good job, guys. Oh my God.
Sheesh.
A bird. Go.
Wow. I can't make a bird. I'm going to lost this round. How do you make a bird? I'm going to make it like 2D. I'm going to make mine like little. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, it's nothing like a bird, but who cares? That looks like, it still looks like when I'm, hi, legs. That's not a tail. Mine looks like an insect. Yeah, this is not good. Kills looks like better than mine. Kills is coming out so good. I know. I'm going to lost this round right now.
Oh, time's up.
You look like a bird. In the comments below, tell us if you like them and who won. Now it's going to be the adults' turn. For the first round, I guess just make a cat. 3, 2, 1, go.
Cat.
A cat. I hope Daddy wins.
What?
Oh, Daddy cat. The tail. Yeah, you kitty. Mom's not going to come out good. Daddy's going to
Watch it now.
I'm looking at this. Daddy, I think he won. I know.
How much longer?
10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 1, done.
It's not.
Your cat is dead!
Is the kitty bleeding?
Mine got run over.
flower. 3, 2, 1, go.
Which one was it, Kayla?
Flower. Flower.
Daddy's a good flower guy.
Am I? Thanks.
Oh, good flower guy. I said the good flower guy. I said go.
Oh no, one color.
Jeez, he's going fast.
How much time, Kayla?
9 seconds.
Oh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Oh, it's so dead.
Well, look at you. Like a masterpiece.
Dead.
Like
looks like the Valentine's.
it's like a
roses.
scarecrow that's been lit on fire.
Pepper, I can't. Play-Doh's completely different.
Okay, for your last round, this is gonna be a pretty tough one, but you guys will need to make an owl. An owl.
All right.
Okay.
In 1 minute.
Kayla, which one?
3, 2, 1, go.
Kayla, which one was it?
An owl.
Doing blue.
Owl.
Green.
Mom's not going good. I know.
I know.
What's an owl look like?
It's starting to look like a
30
gremlin.
seconds.
Do owls have ears?
I think so.
20 seconds, but you can't see them.
Well,
I don't think so.
I'm like an artiste.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3,
Smells like
2, 1,
like a
stop!
Let me see. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So that was us doing the Play-Doh challenge. Comment down below which sculpture you liked the most and who won in the kids versus kids and adults versus adults. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will know when we post a new video. And we will see you in our next adventure. Bye!
Big poop.
Bye.
say bye, Nolan.
Bye.